Queen Etanade with
MC Bad, also the combination of comedy is Royal Talkative online Zaddy.
Did you know plenty like other days one? Alright, so we did because the magic is supposed to done long. You know, be Oriki Oba long they go.
We'll add.
Okay, well today we did here on Entertainment Crib. Yes, so we don't bring another entertainment crib. We don't bring another matter come and don't bring on now. They say now one pastor.
Okay.
Motis pastor. You know so now you go fit talk about those is where we shall. One pastor don't rape 3 sisters. The pastor named na Makanjuola Olabisi Lanre, and in church name na Revolutionary Insights Church where they for Ilorin. They say wetin happen. Say this pastor called the eldest among the 3 of them, saying one date am. Then come to say no, we no one date. So next come to say invite and come the program wey im get. The church come convert them, preach now, give your life to who you want give your life to. Okay. You should come the church. Before you know, pastor come force am, you know, do wetin you no suppose do, touchlight the woman. The second sister too, pastor no stop for that one, no.
Same move on.
The same thing, he carry that same swag energy to the second one. He reach the third one too. He said all these 3 sisters, he go gas tested all of them.
Wow.
Before he head go correct.
Okay.
Now so he can't test all the 3 sisters by force. Now so he can't test them. He can't to say if them talk am, say something bad go happen to them.
Yeah, wow.
They threaten them. Now wetin go happen be say they don catch am, come remand am say you what I go react to that we dey here first. We name out the reason I want to solve your matter. What you want do you first? Wetin you see for this matter?
You see all this kind of matter like all this kind of story for pastors doing touchlighting, doing all sort of things. You don't dey like.
Don dey there for.
You don't dey like all the plenty more. Like because now some pastors now all these kind of pastors they just say na God call them, person wey no get phone how God want to call you, no God no fit. And first parents, you need to know the kind of church your children
they attend.
You need to know, you need to they observe. Normally you see when we were growing up, there are some things where we say we no fit do, where we say children of that days where we say how 13 years old girl go dey talk say she don't have 2 ex-boyfriend. The time when me at the secondary, the ex wey I dey find na for mathematics. Can you call find x wetin concern me concern s that time. Now 13 years old girl don dey talk say she get 2x 13 years.
2x and
2x. How it happen? But parents need to be observant. You need to observe your children. You need to look like cater for them well. There are some parents who say they would because this thing we need to blame the pastor, we need to blame the parents and all those children. If your children, if you are a good father, a good mother, that you know you play with your no be all this one we say they will carry turning stick, they will say kunle wambi. I will not beat you. What you want the turning stick do? When you put Gary you want turn. All those no, you need to. I'm not saying you should be too friendly with you need to be harsh then friendly. From there your child will be like, okay, I can trust my dad, I can trust my mom. But person
when they not talk saying if you talk something, you should go talk and say.
They go still talk. When I was growing up, not the way you tell me for outside, if I reach house, fear go grip me because the way my mama go take to look me, go be like say no.
You know what they but so you know say this way they talk.
It go be like say no.
This way they talk, the time when they grow up, how come they look my daddy? See, this man know what in my mind though. This man know. So what kind of stupid thing like that?
That's it. It go be like that. My mama know. Then me and my mom don't really talk like that. If my mom wants me to go and fetch water and I just eye contact, I'll go. I don't know. Say if you did not go, but that's it. That's it. And then, but nowadays you need to you going to church. Anybody with a good church, I bet please your church where they go.
Know the pastor.
Know the pastor.
But you don't know everybody.
Number you don't know everybody. First, the observant. No, because as I did, I have.
See, so make go help us.
Make go help us. No man.
You know, look my face now. Say this one na winch as we dey look.
Don't be say this one na winch. You get the way me I go take look you. You I go take look some people with. If they look you like this, no, normal. Some people spirits they talk for you, but they no go just look there because you don't know you don't know, you go just jump or go somewhere, person go just call you say yeah. As I dey, I no dey follow anybody go anywhere. If I dey church, if pastor say you wan see me, come and meet me in my office. I don't know, maybe pastor na wetin dem dey call these people wey dey do man to man. I don't know. So I always say that church, I no go enter your office come meet you. This is the first time you are seeing me, you are telling me to come and meet you. For what?
They tell you say you get demon.
If you tell whiskey, I love the demon. Leave the demon. leave the demon.
For you.
You want comot demon, you no fit comot am in front of people. Sure. Nah. Comot am in front of people wey people see me enter another person body, make carry go as. Please go get as small. No, you need to. You can't just. If I go to any church like this, say they call me, okay, we need MC. If I raise here, if the pastor will like, you really tried MC, okay, come and meet me in my office. I want to top up the money.
Oh, no, they don't top up money.
No, me no top up another thing, no show. You need to observe any church, and this pastor now wey dey talk say he needs to go to jail. God, I beg you, I don't know wetin, maybe not true he rape or he no rape, but wetin he do no good, not true.
You know, say Muslim go say Asta, wetin something, Asta feel lie or something.
Asta for lie.
So you don't know that na true. Those girls they lie, they no lie.
Wetin we no know, God know and pass us.
But in case na true, it deserve more punishment than that.
It deserve. Now if you call me for judge, my judge am for that day, you will love my judgment.
What do you want to talk?
You will love my judgment.
Okay, and so you wait there outside where they do rubbish, because they never catch you, no me say they no go catch you.
They go catch you.
One day they don't catch you.
All my tail.
Yes, so alright, we don't come to the end of this particular one. We're gonna bring another one. Oh, we see me gonna just they subscribe, they like, they share. Like it talk, you no cost anything to subscribe.
Just click on.
That's just
they will come money for your account.
Alright, goodbye from this angle.